Hello everyone, welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Friday, May the 27th. My name is Barry Anderson, I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into our room. It is a free room. I share my screen all day long. I'm live on the mic between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If you'd like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, this is the link to use, and you can use the code UNTIL tonight, being Friday night, till about 11:30 tonight Eastern Time. The code is Holly, Holly, all in capital letters, Holly25. All right, well, let's get right to this. What a day. You know, yesterday, I think if you watched the video, people always think that, the Friday before a long weekend, it could be pretty slow and all that, but absolutely not, at least for people in our trading room at Trade Ideas, because we discovered several excellent percentage increase plays. I am still in this one, STKL. I'm in at 410. I did sell some at 424 and 454. This was brought to us by Louis from Down Under in our trading room. He caught it right about here. He said something's going on with STKL. It also then appeared in our options window here that we use right there at 391. So we were basically covered on this one, but certainly kudos to Louis for pointing this out pretty early. I mean, that was very early. So what I did is I waited for the 4 break. You notice it broke above and then it came back down, and I took it on the second break in 410. And as I say, I'm still in some, so it seems to be basing really nicely here. So that's the one I'm still in. Now, let me just forgot to make a chart, so I'm just going to put this on pause for a second. All right, so now here I am with the chart of the day, VSLR. This was such a great trade alert from Holly. Closed right now, VSLR, you can see right here, the entry time was 9:53. The alert was at 3:02. I got in the trade at 3:08, and I sold pieces along the way. Somebody said the reason for this rise today was some kind of an upgrade by Deutsche Bank, but it really didn't matter. Why? I'm sure most of us in the trading room participated in this. I was out, pieced it out, 323, 330, 350. I am out all of it now, but I notice it is starting to move back up again. But this is just a great trade because take a look at the percentage increase. This is another column that we have here. Now, this is a bit of a misnomer because this is just telling you what the percentage increase on the close was, so on the 46-cent profit. But, at this point, it was about 28%. So I actually asked the developers to add another column to give us a percentage, a profit percent also on the non-exit profit column. So because that is true, that's really what it's all about. I mean, just because, again, Holly gets out of a trade, because it got time stopped out doesn't mean you have to. And so anyway, and I didn't. I mean, I basically held it. So anyway, just a tremendous trade from Holly on a percentage basis. And let's see what else happened. DEC was a pretty good early trade for me. Starting to break my habit of waiting for the first 15 minutes or even half an hour to make a trade. But DEC came on the, let's see, I think that was on the options. Let me just make sure of that. Yeah, early on. It came on the options, $50.90. It's also an earnings play. It released earnings post-market yesterday. So it's interesting because here's where it released the earnings. Here is the initial reaction to the earnings, a big downtick, and then immediately up, and then it kind of meandered around, but then in the once the market opened, it just absolutely popped. Now this is a tough one to trade. It can be very spready, very whippy, and all. So I felt reasonably fortunate to get in right here on the break of the whole number. I got in at 51.04, traded it out at 51.44, and then 51.10 as it came back down. Now it is back up again, but I just didn't want to run the risk. I had seen this, and I thought, well, what if this happens here? I didn't want to get stuck in it. So the other one I took, Holly, did not work. WB was a little bit of a, let's see what it's doing right now. Yeah, this was a trade in which I was watching the non-exit profit column. It was hanging around this area. Took the trade at 25.73 and stopped myself out at 25.65. I mean, it really didn't do very much. Now I will watch it later on. I'm going to, in fact, right now I'm going to put an alert, 25.79 at the high, and let it expire today. So if it happens, I want to know about it, and I may get back into this trade later on. Um, that is it. What a day, though. I mean, really, truly, the two trades, the two big, and they're cheap ones. But it's funny, if you'd asked me, I don't know, 6 months ago, what I normally traded, I would say stocks $20 and over. But I'm certainly warming up to the fact of trading these cheaper stocks, especially if we get the alerts within, the windows that I use plus Holly. They're statistically starting to turn into just great trades, and especially on a percentage basis, you can't argue with being up 30% on a trade. So that's it. I'm sure a lot of you are aware that we're going to a new pricing formula, shall we call it a formula, starting June 1st. No longer will we be offering Holly with as a lifetime license. And I shouldn't just say Holly. I should talk about all of our premium services, which includes Holly, of course, our flagship, but we also have the RBIs and the GBIs, red bar and green bar ignored, our pattern recognition, which is very good also. And of course, the ability to create a price alert right on the chart, as you saw me do with a WB, and then manage it in a great window all day long. So that right now, with the code that you'll see, Holly 25, Holly in caps 25, you can get all that for $770 on a lifetime license, a one-time fee, and that's it. And what that means is that, if you ever decide you want to stop trading for a while and then you resubscribe to Trade Ideas, it is still there for you. June 1st, that goes away. We'll only be offering Holly on a monthly basis. I believe it's going to be $89 a month, or you can get Trade Ideas Pro plus Holly, plus our premium services for $1,888 for the year. That would include a full year of Trade Ideas plus our premium package. So there's quite a difference in price. Right now, you could do the same thing for $14.80, get a full year of Trade Ideas for and the lifetime license for $1,480 versus the $1,888. But the other kicker is that the following year, if you take the $1,480, the following year, your annual subscription is $888. The way it's going to be on June 1st, the annual subscription will still be $1,888. So there is a difference in price, definitely, but you've got to be comfortable in doing what you have to do. So again, if you want to, here's the link to use, and Holly 25, HOLLY, capital letters 25. Only good until 11:30 tonight. There probably will be a promo code next week, but if you want to act on it now, you can. That promo code will not be in effect on the weekend. All right. Again, share my screen all day long. This is the address to get in. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. You can sign in as a guest. I'm live 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the mic, but I usually open the room at about 8:45, and I start sharing my screen. We go over the pre-market activity and within the room. And, it's a lot of collaboration in the room. This room is not just about me telling you what to buy or sell. We have tremendous traders in our room, and we're all trying to help each other. Okay, well, it is a long weekend in the States, so Memorial Day on Monday, so the market, the room will not be open. If you are in the United States, have a great long weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday morning. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the room Tuesday morning. Bye-bye.